Well, Uber and Lyft are facing a massive new lawsuit from drivers. We're going to get into it, what this means. Could this be the end of Uber and Lyft? And our drivers are going to get more pay out of this. And also, it's a class action lawsuit, which meaning you can get involved to actually make money on this. Yeah, if you've never been a part of a class action lawsuit, it's a big deal. And it's potentially very rewarding. I've been a part of a class action lawsuit with Nike, and they're sending me checks. They're sending me checks because of something that happened at work. I didn't file the lawsuit, some random dude did. And he sued Nike for basically underpaying us for doing certain tasks. And I did those tasks. And so it was like, here you go. Here's free money, Dylan. I'm like, thanks, bro. His name was like Alejandro or something. I'm like, every time I get a check, I'm like, thanks, Alejandro. Free coffee for today. It was only like, it was a smaller lawsuit, so I was only getting like $75 checks, but I mean, still better than nothing, right? Okay, so before I get started, I want to thank our sponsor. Our sponsor for today's video is Solo. It's the business app for gig workers, and they have a guaranteed pay feature, which is really cool. So basically, if you sign up and work in a certain area here, they're actually going to be paying you out money. As you can see here, it's like you work these shifts and it's guaranteed pay, which is really cool. So they're making up for Uber and Lyft, and it's only available in these areas, but their app is available nationwide, and it helps with tracking expenses, managing your income, tax prep. And when you use our link, they're sending you 15 bucks, okay? Want to get that out there. $15 just for signing up for this free app. And you just got to link your account, and that's how it works. And it is a super cool brand new app, so if you haven't heard of it, it's because they're new. So yeah, anyways, let's get started. Uber and Lyft drivers claim price fixing in a lawsuit against companies. A group of drivers for Uber and Lyft accused the companies of unfairly controlling how much passengers are charged for rides in an antitrust lawsuit in California. So this is just in California, but maybe there's gonna be more lawsuits in other states. A group of drivers for Uber and Lyft on Tuesday accused the company, blah blah blah. I already said that. This is the lawsuit. How about we look at the lawsuit, right? Oh, my screen time is, I was only online for 5 hours a day. It's not that bad, right? But it's seeking class action status in San Francisco and Superior Court alleged violations of California antitrust law and state law prohibiting unfair business practices. 33 pages, bro. Oh my god, that's a lot of pages, bro. All right, you guys can look at this if you want. Should I leave the link for this down below? Or do you guys want me to read this whole thing? It's gonna take years. I'll leave the link below. The drivers claim that they were able to offer lower prices to the consumers. It would provide drivers the most competitive compensation by preventing drivers from doing so. Uber and Lyft harm competition. Basically, they're saying that since Uber and Lyft label drivers independent, drivers should be able to set their own price. And if they want to make drivers work, for a set price, then drivers should get holiday pay, paid time off, sick leave, compensation, minimum wage, I'm sure expenses for gasoline, your car maintenance. So let me know, do you like the independent status, or do you like being an employee better? Would you rather have a set schedule with Uber and Lyft? So anyways, thanks for watching today's video. Again, check out the link down below for Solo. They're sending you every person 15 bucks when you sign up right now. You can get signed up in minutes. And again, they even have this awesome guaranteed pay feature, which again is only available in certain areas, but is probably going to be rolling out, to more states as more people get it. $3 million guaranteed using Solo's pay prediction. Wow. 20% more per week for the average solopreneur. That's crazy. Thanks for watching, guys. You guys are awesome. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.